Zoox Autonomous Robotaxi. Amazon subsidiary Zoox has created a revolutionary autonomous robotaxi for use by ride-hailing companies. The unusual symmetry of this electric vehicle makes it capable of bi-directional driving without the need to turn around, making it more maneuverable in congested city streets. Seating for up to 4 people in a facing-each-other configuration is possible inside the roomy cabin, made possible by the little bi-directional design. Zoox guarantees 360-degree awareness for safe navigation with its suite of modern sensors, which includes LiDAR, cameras, and radar. Thanks to its high-capacity battery, the robotaxi can go up to 75 miles per hour and stay operational for up to 16 hours on a single charge. The specific cost of Zoox's robotaxi is unknown at this time, but the company is currently concentrating on creating an autonomous ride-hailing service rather than selling individual vehicles, which could make it a good fit for city transportation budgets. Stratosphere of Volatile. Electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL vehicles are the stuff of the future, and Lazzarini Design has created one called the Stratosphere of Volatile. A carbon fiber sphere which can carry 2 people is at the center of this revolutionary plane. A maximum speed of 1 hour is achieved by means of its 4 double rotors, which are propelled by means of 2 electric engines. Private leisure flying tours and driverless air taxis are perfect fits for the Stratosphere of Volatile. The distinctive design is reminiscent of a spacepod, and the propellers mounted on top give it an air of mystery. There needs to be more clarity in aviation regulations before the vehicle can be deployed. It is currently in the prototype stage. Unfortunately, you can't buy it just yet, because it's still in the prototype stage. To be sure, Lazzarini Design intends to construct it if the right people come forward. MercedesBenz Vision Van. For city logistics, Mercedes-Benz developed the Futuristic Vision Van. It reimagines last-mile delivery operations by integrating multiple cutting-edge technologies. Effortless and quick air deliveries are possible thanks to the van's completely automated cargo area and drones. An electric motor system of 75 kilowatts and a joystick control provide for a 270 kilometers range that is both smooth and emission-free, making it ideal for urban areas with vehicle restrictions. The algorithms that control the Vision Van's intelligent system handle order picking and drone deployment, among other tasks, and optimize route planning and package handling. Its eye-catching design has an LED matrix for communication and a black panel radiator grille with a wide windshield. There is a lack of information regarding the Vision Van's price, but the fact that Mercedes-Benz vans begin at $49,900 suggests that it will compete in the luxury segment. InnoPower Solar Panel. In addition to generating clean energy, the InnoPower solar panel may also serve as a practical table. These solar panels are useful for both indoor and outdoor applications, and they come in 100 watt and 200 watts versions that are compatible with all power stations. The efficiency and durability of the panel's design guarantee their usage for a long time, and the substantial savings in energy costs. With its 2-in-1 design, the InnoPower solar panel stands out. Converting it from a solar panel to a table when it's not in use makes it a versatile and space-saving piece of furniture. Since this is the case, it can serve as a backup power source in case of an emergency or as a camping accessory. The 100-watt model of the InnoPower solar panel is priced at around $199, an appealing alternative for those seeking to invest in sustainable energy solutions thanks to its reasonable cost and unique design. Dreamglass Flow. One cutting-edge augmented reality headset that aims to improve streaming media and games is the Dreamglass Flow. It has a 120-inch virtual display, so you may experience a cinematic setting in the comfort of your own home. The spectacles work with several systems, including PC, Xbox, and PlayStation, and they are compatible with online video streaming and gaming platforms. One thing they're known for is how well they work with the Steam Deck and Nintendo Switch. Customers love the Dream Glass Flow for domestic flights and travel because of how comfortable and portable it is. The augmented reality glasses also provide a one-of-a-kind, jaw-dropping 3D movie experience. Not adding controllers, the Dream Glass Flow costs $799. A special early bird pricing of around $379 is also mentioned during the crowdfunding campaign. For orders above $500, delivery is free, while standard shipping costs $24.99. LG Healing Me Massage Chair. The MH60G model of LG's Healing Me Massage Chair is a cutting-edge medical device that allows for a customized massage. Users can easily customize massage courses and alter the intensity levels using the voice control system. In order to provide a relaxing and customized massage experience from the neck all the way to the thighs, the chair is programmed to detect the user's leg length and shoulder width automatically. In addition to its previously offered neck-to-hip range, the MH60G now provides a full-body massage that extends to the thighs. In order to meet the demands of those seeking various forms of relaxation, it offers a total of 10 distinct massage programs. For an even more luxurious massage, you may turn on the chair's Bluetooth speaker and warmed seat feature. You can get your hands on the LG Healing Me Massage Chair MH60G for 4.4 million won, or around $3,750. Bioleg. Company Bionic EM of Tokyo created the innovative Bioleg electric leg prosthetic, designed to help amputees walk, stand, and sit more fluidly. With improved stability and less cognitive strain, it also reduces tiredness. And revolutionary prosthesis, this one weighs in at around 6 pounds and has a battery life that keeps going all day. The breakthrough feature of the Bioleg is its ability to enhance the user's mobility experience through the integration of artificial intelligence and motor power. The FDA has granted the device Class 2 exemption, which means it will be able to enter the US market much faster than expected, with a launch scheduled for late 2024. Regarding pricing, advanced bionic prosthetics in Japan can cost over $80,000, while the Bioleg is anticipated to retail for about 1/3 of that amount. Though it's still a substantial investment, this makes it more affordable. Sego Charger. An innovative solar charger for explorers and those living off the grid, the Sego Charger takes design cues from origami. This power source is designed to be sustainable, space-efficient, and long-lasting while still being easy to transport. The Sego Charger takes design cues from NASA's deployable space arrays and uses a patent-pending origami pattern to facilitate quick deployment and compact storage, two features that make it well-suited for usage in photovoltaic applications. This groundbreaking charger is designed to endure the rigors of outdoor excursions by integrating the structural characteristics of fixed solar panels with the flexibility of foldable panels. Its modular connector box makes it compatible with a wide range of USB products, portable power banks, and power stations. At its early bird Kickstarter price of $289, the 25-watt Sego Charger was a steal compared to its anticipated retail price of $395. Zip Charge Go. To facilitate easier and more widespread use of charging for electric vehicles, ZipCharge developed the groundbreaking Zip Charge Go portable EV charger. It's like a portable power bank for your electric vehicle. You can charge it wherever you happen to be. This lightweight gadget has a retractable handle for portability and is small enough to fit in your car's trunk. Any electric or plug-in hybrid vehicle with a Type 2 socket can use it. You can have your daily necessities and the typical commute covered with the Go's electric vehicle range of 20 to 40 miles. Aiming to democratize EV charging, the ZipCharge Go is built for affordability and simplicity, enabling users to charge their vehicles wherever they've parked. For individuals who do not have access to home charging facilities, the ZipCharge Go offers an economical choice at a price point of roughly $2,000, which is comparable to a fully fitted home charger. Hound LSR. A state-of-the-art supersonic race automobile, the Hound LSR land speed record aims to shatter the current land speed record. With the help of a rocket motor and a Eurofighter Typhoon jet engine, it hopes to reach speeds of more than 800 miles per hour. Trials in South Africa have already seen the vehicle reach 628 miles per hour, with estimates ranging from £8 million to £12 million. The initiative demands substantial finance to accomplish its objective. The installation of a rocket motor and other upgrades required to reach the target speed cannot be accomplished without this financing. Not content to only set records, the Hound LSR also acts as a showcase for cutting-edge engineering and technology, while simultaneously providing a platform for engineering education. In order to carry out its lofty objective, the project is persistent in its pursuit of sponsorship and funding. Ungoverned Vendetta. The Ungoverned Vendetta is an electric skateboard with a rugged appearance and powerful performance that claims to take your adventures to the next level. It's designed with adventurers and extreme off-roaders in mind. The Vendetta is delivered completely assembled and has a removable battery that is built into the deck. It can accommodate riders weighing 75 kilograms and can reach speeds of 20 kilometers an hour on a flat track for about 30 minutes. At its peak, this powerhouse can reach speeds of 50 kilometers per hour, guaranteeing an exciting journey over a variety of terrains. You get front and rear wheel drive, autonomous traction control, and a basic charger with a 5-hour charging period to keep your batteries in top shape. For $9,900, you may own the Ungoverned Vendetta. It is the epitome of electric skateboard technology, catering to adventurers who refuse to conform to the status quo. Agile X Bunker. In difficult terrains, the Agile X Bunker may be relied upon as a durable tracked unmanned ground vehicle. With its crawler-type differential mechanical mechanism, it can adjust and stay put on any terrain. The best use for its 70 kilograms payload capacity and 10 kilometers maximum travel distance include exploration, surveillance, and transport missions, among others. Several servo motors, a Christie suspension system, and an integrated forward tilt design improve the climbing capabilities and overall performance of the bunker. Because it is compatible with secondary development via ROS or an open-source software development kit, SDK, the bunker is a flexible platform for developers and academics. A high ingress protection rating further guarantees its longevity in challenging settings. Approximately $15,000 will get you the Agile X Bunker. For tough jobs in every weather, this investment offers a dependable and versatile answer. Shine Turbine. Wind turbine aficionados and explorers will love the Shine Turbine. With a power output of up to 40 watts, this small device is perfect for charging USB devices such as smartphones, tablets, and cameras. Perfect for camping, trekking, and other outdoor pursuits, this pack is both lightweight and water-resistant, so it fits effortlessly in a backpack. In a matter of minutes, you can have the Shine Turbine up and running. Extending the blades causes it to begin producing power, which can be stored in its onboard battery for usage at a later time. For places far from urban centers or other conventional power plants, this makes it an excellent renewable energy option. The Shine Turbine costs around $399, a viable option for people seeking to maintain power while disconnected from the grid. It provides an eco-friendly and effective means of harnessing wind energy. Lemur. 2 drone. Modern public safety missions are the primary focus of the Lemur 2 drone's design. A 4K video camera, night vision, thermal sensors, and the ability to hold a position in any direction are just a few of the high-tech capabilities it comes with. During crucial missions, the drone's built-in LiDAR sensor can provide 2D floor layouts in real time, which is incredibly helpful. It can communicate via its built-in loudspeaker, which is audible even above the noise of its propellers. In extreme circumstances, including as building fires or active shooter situations, the Lemur 2's glass breaker attachment lets it swiftly enter buildings. A multi-use dropper with a 1-pound capacity is also included, which can be put to good use when delivering supplies during rescue missions or discussions. The advertised price of the Lemur 2 drone is $8,999, with an extra $2,499 needed for operator training for a maximum of 4 officers. Saros Guardian Exo, an all-encompassing powered exoskeleton. The Saros Guardian Exo is engineered to augment human power and stamina. This revolutionary suit is perfect for usage in the military and industrial settings, since it enables users to effortlessly lift up to 200 pounds. With its 24 degrees of freedom, the Guardian Exo offers exceptional mobility and pinpoint accuracy. It is entirely electric and can be used without a cord. Its battery packs are hot swappable, so you can prolong its runtime to about 2 hours. Users may be trained to use the exoskeleton in minutes, and it just takes seconds to put it on and remove it. It is developed with ease of use in mind. You can rent the Guardian Exo for almost $100,000 a year. Businesses that want to increase output while decreasing physical demands on employees should seriously consider this alternative, since the cost is about the same as the wage of 1 employee per year.